this is part of the Module 7 reality check for Math 990. And so you've just solved some of the other problems, and now we need to solve this one. So what we're doing here is we need to solve for k. We are not substituting anything in for v or m. We're simply solving for k. And so we're going to leave these variables. And what we're going to end up with is a formula. We're going to have a formula that k equals some formula, okay? So what we have to think about is how can we isolate k? Well, the first thing I see is the square root. How do we get rid of the square root? Well, could we square both sides? That's going to work. So squared, the square root cancels, so we get v squared equals 2k over m. Now you need to finish solving for k. So basically you have a fraction in front of k. You have 2 over m. In fact, if you like it better, you can even write 2 over m times k like that, if that makes it a little easier to see. So just finish isolating k, and then once you get the answer, what you're going to do is you're going to use 30.6 for v. You're going to use your mass from question 1, and you're going to substitute that in and solve for k and see if you get the same answer as you did in number 1.